Good morning, kids.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow we are going to celebrate.
Independence Day.
Okay. So, what is there in the board? India flag. Okay, I'm going to ask few questions about our flag. You all want to say to me, okay? So, let me start with Pravina. Pravina, saffron indicates?
Strength and courage.
Good job. Diyashika, white indicates?
Peace.
Super. Mahira Shri, green indicates? Fertility.
Fertility.
Okay. So, Lakshmi, tell me what is present in the middle of our national flag? Chakra. Good job. Okay, how many spokes we have in our chakra, Danshika?
24.
24 spokes. Good job. Okay, Anvai, can you tell me which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Good job. Jashwin, tell me which is our national bird?
National bird. Peacock.
Superb. Madhu, tell me which is our national flower?
Flowers.
Yeah, which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Lotus. Good job, kids. Okay. So, can you all say Vande Mataram Jai Hind?
Yes.
Yeah, come on, say.
Vande Mataram.
Superb.